right, so like I said, right in front of the Nobel Peace Prize Center is you can actually get a tour of the Oslo Sightseeing Fjord Cruise, which I do plan on doing while I'm here. Like I said, it's right here. It's not that far of a walk from my hotel, at least. And then right behind me is like another little park, little center with a bunch of statues. So I'm gonna go explore that because I love statues. So let's take a little walk. Okay guys, coming from that park in the Nobel Peace Prize area, I just walked a little bit further up the road and I got to the fortress, which I'm not gonna pronounce the name either because I know I'm gonna butcher it. But there's a marker right here and I guess this is the path to go inside. So I'm gonna try to walk the path and I'm not even sure if it's open or if it's free or not. We're gonna wing it. All right, so let's go ahead and wing it up these damn roads and let's see what we can see. So what do you think about the fortress? Now there is a, directly behind me, if you go across that bridge, there's the castle. I guess you can walk and go inside, but it costs money. And I'm not about to do that right now. I'm gonna do that on my own time. But I definitely wanted to mention that and show you guys, you know, let's say like the fortress and the castle. So now I believe I'm going in the direction of exiting the fortress. I'm gonna try to take a different path than I did before, hopefully. So now, I do want to visit I think it's called the Fram Museum, but you actually got to take a boat to get to the other side, or I believe you can take public transportation. You may be even able to walk. I think it's like an hour and a half walk from here, which I'm not about to do because I'll just be wasting my time. So now I want to show you guys the park. It has like a lot of sculptures apparently. I think it's probably about a 45-minute walk from here. So I'll be doing that. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. And let me know how I'm doing in the video also, you know what I'm saying? If there's anything that I may be missing, if you guys are from Norway or already visited. I mean, I can catch it on my next visit or anything like that. Right now, like this being the fall, this is beautiful. I love fall. Fall is my favorite season. You know what I'm saying? So I just love how like I said, the leaves turn yellow against that green, showing all the brown. So yeah. All right, so make sure you pause the video. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you like, subscribe, and leave a comment at the end of the video. All right, guys. All right, guys, after that long ass walk, I finally got to Vigeland Park, which I assume that's how it's pronounced. But like I said, I'm gonna have some pop-ups throughout the video to show some of the stuff inside. Looks pretty gorgeous, right? So right now I'm in the parking lot in the front. They got a couple of buses, hop on, hop off. Like I said, this is probably the #1 point of interest. Is like the first thing that comes up when you type in Oslo points of interest. All right, so enough talking. Let's go inside and see all these wonderful statues. So we just came across the bridge, but what do you think so far about the park? I think it's hard as hell. Just like all the statues, all the detail, the intricate detail. And then, like I said, it's a huge park. A lot of people out here just, hanging out, enjoying family time. Look like a real good place for, self-care, mental health and stuff like that. Especially time right now, because like I said, the leaves are falling. Absolutely gorgeous, right? Yeah, that's pretty tough. So let's keep going. Some steps, there's more statues to see. I think it's like over 200, either 200 or 2,000. I'm pretty confident 200. Over 200 statues in this park. Okay, let's keep going, guys. All right, guys, so getting on to the very top where you see the culmination of everything on the rest, all these statues surrounding this one pillar. There's some crazy statues. I definitely recommend taking your time, walking around, taking a lot of pictures, videos, whatever you have to do to get that old memory. Let me know what you think of the park. Leave a comment below on that. Also, just let me know what you think of the overall the video. Did I show you guys everything that you pretty much have been researching, things of that nature? Just let me know below. Make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, all right? And recommend, please recommend. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm getting close to my, I guess, one of my short-term goals. And I'm feeling really blessed and, you know, happy that I took this journey that my wife pushed me towards. All right, so anyway, like I said, this is Travis with Preston signing out from Oslo, Norway. See you guys next Monday. Peace.